One thing is clear when talking about analytics. Those departments that are largely unsuccessful are made up of lone rangers, where maybe 1 out of every 5 auditors are trained in maximizing these tools. Usage is ad hoc, and the system largely fails when the Lone Ranger rides off into the sunset, usually to another company. By contrast, successful departments become more like a team of analytic rangers who spread the knowledge around while using analytics in every audit. Using simple Excel techniques and pre-built audit programs, they can round up and always get their data. In a recent Auditnet survey, when asked for the reasons why audit departments did not require auditors to use analytics, 60% said because staff were not trained. So our first strategy, you need to train the team versus depending on a few limited resources who usually become time bankrupt or decide at some point to leave the company with the knowledge. Every auditor has the aptitude to run their own analytics. Let's talk about speeding the learning curve. They say to be an expert in anything, you need to spend 10,000 hours, and most of us have that already in Excel. So why not maximize that fast-acting audit tool? It also provides a common ground for everyone to learn and be able to discuss analytic techniques. Once learned in Excel, the techniques can be converted to other audit software tools, but the initial data run can be prototyped in Excel, as we will show in the training. You are not alone. Analytics can be a little threatening, which limits people starting, but it doesn't have to be that way. It's a normal reaction learning any new technology. If you consistently exercise the analytic team's mind, not only does the department start to use the product, they start to retain the knowledge and ensure it doesn't walk out the door. To allow you just-in-time training in the field, you will get the videos and data files used in the course so you can make a quick impact with the tools versus needing to pull out training guides, learn a software. We're providing exactly what you need, and mind you, the various Excel macros and templates are well worth the price of the course, regardless of the CPE benefit. In addition, you will receive Auditnet audit programs with analytics built right into them. Benchmark your department in 2015 and do so by using the Auditnet surveys where you can continuously benchmark yourself. We have at least 3 surveys planned right now in textual analytics, practical application of big data, and an overall survey on best practices in analytically enabled departments. You can learn from them in 2015 while developing your own skills with our program. To get started and go quite far in 2015 exploring analytics, we are offering 13 courses or 26 CPE, which are broken into 8 foundational classes in topics like sampling, importing data into Excel, visualization, and textual analytics. We then have 5 classes focused on auditing specific areas with analytics, like accounts payable, revenue, travel and entertainment, general ledger, or payroll. These practical classes using a case study approach come complete with analytic audit programs, data files, so you know what key tests to perform when automating your Sarbanes-Oxley control testing or otherwise improving existing manual procedures with 100% testing. Cost is a major reason why companies don't get started with technology, and our rates couldn't be lower. Also, you can use the free tools already available to you in Microsoft Excel to get started, so no cost there. Now, while we have individual course prices at about $20 per CPE, we have greatly reduced the subscription pricing to afford individuals a training experience at about $17 per CPE. You could save costs further by having a team of rangers, your entire department, get a group subscription, and then the CPE is just a handful of dollars, depending on the number of people attending. And don't forget about the free data files, templates, and audit programs to get you started. Courses are starting on February 17, 2015 and run twice a month on average throughout 2015 to maintain a consistent reason to meet and expand your use of these fantastic tools. We look forward to seeing you there.